This is Seiko 6138-0040 Black Horse is what these are called. This one is from May 1976. It's a good example of this model. Somebody wore it, but they didn't abuse it. It's the original full-length bracelet. I went through this watch completely just this last weekend. It's fully serviced, case rebuilt. It's got all new seals. It's got a new crystal. I'm getting great numbers out of it. I cleaned up the dial loom. It still shows some patina. But it looks great and it presents well. It's a nice slight tan to the loom. There's your case back number. It's a nice watch. Case is in original polish. All the case lines are sharp. Just like that. If you're looking for a black bullhead, there you go. It's ready for you. Thank you so much.